Hello guys, in this video we will see Nintendo Switch how to factory reset. Erase all data. Restore default settings will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Accessing System Settings. Content power on your Nintendo Switch. Navigate to the System Settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or wrench symbol located on the home screen. This will open a menu containing various system options. You may need to scroll through the icons to find it. Once located, tap the System Settings icon to proceed.
Step locating the data management option content within the system settings menu. Scroll down through the list of options until you locate the data management section. This section houses various options related to managing your saved data, including the factory reset function. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will generally relate to managing user data saved, games, or system storage. Tap on the data management option to continue.
Step selecting the reset option content. The data management menu will display several sub-options. Carefully review these choices and select the option specifically labeled as Reset Console, Factory Reset, or something similar. This option will initiate the process of erasing all data from the console. Be absolutely certain that this is the option you intend to select before proceeding, as this action is irreversible.
Step confirming the factory reset content. After selecting the reset option, the system will provide a final confirmation prompt. This prompt will clearly state that all data on the console will be permanently erased. It will likely also reiterate that this action cannot be undone. Carefully read this warning to proceed with the factory reset. Select the Yes or Confirm option. The exact wording will depend on the system's language. Step waiting for completion content. Once you confirm the factory reset, the Nintendo Switch will begin the process of erasing all data and restoring the default settings. This process may take several minutes to complete depending on the amount of data stored on the console. Do not interrupt the process by powering off the console or removing the power source. The console will automatically restart once the factory reset is complete.